Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be reviewing the new Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. So I bought this from Ulta. It retails for $39. I got mine in the shade 10WY, which is cool that they have like a description. You're not gonna be able to read it. So it says 10 means ultra fair. W is for warm and Y is for yellow. So it says the W for warm is a master tone and the yellow is an undertone. And then it has 1 fluid ounce, so that's standard. I'm gonna go on Ulta's website and read what it says. Oh, I forgot. On the box it says it's supposed to have up to 24-hour wear. I'm not gonna test that. Oh, let's just read the box first. So, flexible, breathable, real skin matte finish, medium buildable coverage, does not transfer, minimizes the appearance of pores, stay true color, waterproof, vegan formula, does not contain animal-derived ingredients or broad byproducts. That's what it, okay. Anyways, looks like there's 50 shades with 9 shade intensities, 3 master tones, and 7 undertones. It's waterproof, long wear foundation, feels like a second skin. It's breathable, flexible, so pretty much what the box says. Now I'm gonna go to Urban Decay's website, see if it says anything different. Because I noticed Ulta doesn't really put too much. It looks like Urban Decay says the same thing. So on Urban Decay's website and on the box, both of them say it's supposed to minimize the appearance of pores. So let's hope. It also is supposed to be 24-hour wear, so I have put moisturizer on already today. It's actually late in the day. It's almost 1:30, so I've actually moisturized twice because my nose has been crazy lately. So I'm actually not going to put any primer on because if I normally would put a primer on, it would just be a hydrating primer, and I've already put moisturizer on twice. So I'm just going to skip that because why not? Other than that, the primer I've been using lately is a grip primer, but I don't want to do that because I want to see what the grip or the longevity of this is since it's supposed to be a 24-hour wear. So we're gonna skip that. So let's just take it out of the box. So this is what it looks like. It's unique and not unique. So it's not unique because it's like, you know, traditional like rectangle, but then it's got this weird cutout and indent. I don't know why. I wonder what the reason was behind that because it feels really weird to grab. It is plastic, which is nice. I'm currentently looking for the foundation to have for my wedding, so I'm hoping this might be it. If not, I'm thinking the Pure 4-in-1 because I've been obsessed with it. But this one says, you know, waterproof, and that's not English side. Minimizing pores, waterproof is the big thing. And so I'm hoping this will work because if it's waterproof, that would be awesome. Because, you know, weddings, crying. So hopefully this works. I did have the lady at Ulta tell me that she's already obsessed with this foundation, so that sounds like good luck. So I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. Ooh, it's like, it's not liquidy. See how long it took to start dripping? But it's not thick either, so that's kind of nice. I'm going to use a sponge. Should we do a brush and sponge? Sure. I'm going to use this sponge, or this brush, because it's the only one I have that's not too dirty. It's a Japanesque 708 brush. Ooh. And I like to paint it on my face if I use a brush especially, so let's just, ooh, that was quite a bit. So I'm going to try to keep in mind, it says buildable coverage. It does say medium, right? Medium buildable, because I don't really like medium. I want full coverage, but it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna take a sponge on the other side. So this is just a Morphe sponge. So this is one coat so far. Let me zoom you in. Okay, so this is the brush side and this is the sponge side. Honestly, I think this sponge size looks better and it kept more product, only because this kind of brush is a buffing brush, and so it kind of easily buffed the product away. And then also, I think if I look real close, I can see more pores on the brush side than on the sponge side. Okay, let me zoom you back out. What I think I'm gonna do is what I do with a lot of foundations that when I want fuller coverage. So I'm gonna take my brush and pop it on the really problematic areas. So now that I've kind of painted it all on, I'm gonna let it sit for probably 30 seconds to a minute, and then I'm gonna use the sponge and blend it out, and hopefully that'll help give us a little bit more coverage. While I sit and let this wait, can I just mention that I'm for once not the lightest shade. This shade is actually a pretty good match. I think I need a little bit more of an olive more than yellow, but baby steps. Normally, if I am the fairest shade in the collection, it's way too neutral, or the collection just doesn't have anything light enough. So I am happy that I actually have something that works for my skin tone, but also is light enough for me, and I'm not the lightest. So that's a huge win. I'd be interested to find out if that's the same on the opposite end of the spectrum in the dark category, because like if I look at the website, it looks like it's got a lot of good dark colors, but because it's not my skin tone, I don't know if that's true to undertones, so I'd be interested to know that. Buffed it out, and then this is where we are at. I can still see some redness. I have had a makeup artist tell me before that the redness is more prominent to myself because it's something I'm constantly trying to cover, but I still see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. So I would definitely say it is more of a medium foundation. You could kind of get it kind of full coverage-ish. I would say if you have skin that's not very uneven, you could probably get this to work as full coverage for you. Should we attempt to do another layer? I feel like that would be bad. So let's do it. I think what I'm gonna do is instead of letting it just sit there, I'm gonna try to grab a little bit more and just kind of lightly pat it in those areas. See if that helps some. Well, that did pretty good. That actually helped quite a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera. No, I lied. Let me zoom you in real quick so that you can see what it looks like right now. So this is what it looks like up close. I am seeing in my nose crease, it is clinging to my dry patches per every foundation. Ooh, I didn't know there was product on that. Okay. Every foundation I have does this. So this doesn't really bug me. That just means I need to exfoliate more. Is a helicopter. So honestly, for my nose, it could be so much worse. Let me go ahead and zoom your back out real quick. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup off camera, just do kind of like my normal routine. So I'm probably going to use my ColourPop concealer and then my Maybelline Fit Me for the powder all over. Basically just do what I normally do. And then I'll come back in and check with you when I'm done with all of that. Okay, now my makeup is done. Couple quick things. So for lips, I have the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip in the shade All Natural Nude. I think that's the shade. And then over top of that, I have the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss in Peach Tea. And can we just talk about these lashes? I mean, it's a mascara, but holy crap. I just tried this. I got a little baby size of it, a little tiny baby size of the, shit, who's it by? Too Faced Damn Girl, and damn, this is nice. I mean, I know this is about foundation, but look how freaking huge. Oh my gosh. Anyways, okay, distracted enough. So let me go ahead and zoom you in real quick so now you can see what my foundation looks like. Okay, so this is what the foundation looks like close up. Honestly, I think it looks really good now that I've powdered everything and set it all. I don't think my pores look bad. I also, though, because I have dry skin, I don't have enlarged pores. So for me, it looks fine, but I would be worried for somebody who does have enlarged pores. I would still probably use a pore filling primer. but my nose actually looks a lot better now that there's powder on it, which is weird to say. Let me go ahead, back you up again. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go throughout the rest of my day. It is 2 o'clock now, but by the time that my foundation was actually put on was about 1:30-ish, 1:40, whatever. So I'm gonna definitely wait until after 9 o'clock to do a check-in. That way we can see what it looks like, because I've mentioned this before, I have a 9-to-5 job, so I need that to last over 9 hours. So I will check in at the end of the day. Okay, I'm back. It's now the end of the day. It is 9:44 at night, and I've had this on for about 8 hours now. So I'm gonna zoom you in real quick so you can see a close-up of what this looks like. Okay, so this is the foundation close up. Honestly, this looks bomb. I feel like it looks the same as what it looked like when I checked in after putting the rest of my face on. No? Just me? Look at that, like my nose still looks pretty good. Yeah, let me back you up now that you've seen me up close. So after 8 hours, I think this has held up really nicely. Let's go back to the claims real quick. So is it waterproof? I don't know. Yeah, I have no idea on that one. Feels like second skin. I'm gonna say yes. This did not feel heavy when I put it on. I forgot to mention that. And it doesn't feel heavy still. Stay true to the color. I do think that's true. I didn't mention that earlier. I didn't notice it getting darker at all. And minimizing the appearance of pores. I can't really tell. I don't have big enough pores, I feel like, to be able to tell. So I'm gonna go with no on that one. I think this foundation is awesome. I definitely recommend it. Yeah, I mean, if I exfoliated a little better, I think that's my only problem, is I'm still getting this stuff on my nose, but it's not as bad as it normally is. So honestly, if I just exfoliated a little bit better before I put this on, I would love this. It isn't the coverage that I typically like, but I was able to build it up enough to where I'm okay with it. I mean, yeah, I think this is great. Definitely gonna keep wearing this. If you want an update after I worn it for a couple weeks, let me know. But that is all I have for this video, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.